Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sissy again, and today's video I am gonna be talking about and showing you guys a quick and easy way to survive in an emergency eyebrow cleaning situation. What I mean is, like, if you're running out of time and you have to get somewhere in a certain amount of time, you don't have time to run into the salon. Like, don't worry, see, the solution is right here in your bathroom. I am gonna be showing you guys how I clean my eyebrows at home. If I have an emergency, I don't have time to go to a salon to get a wax. So what I especially do, I just go into my bathroom supplies and then, like, I'm gonna find something anyway to clean my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it, and then the quickest way you can get it done, and then be ready to go. So if you are interested about, like, knowing how the quickest way to get your eyebrows done, keep watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comment, you can leave it in the link down in the description down below, and I'll be able to answer every one of them. So please don't be afraid, ask me any kind of questions that you may have, and I'll be available to reply to you guys. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.